How to add clickable links in YouTube video descriptions. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube studio. Once you're over here, now upload any of the video. Click on this plus option. Select any of the video. Once you have selected the video, you'll be directed to add details page. Here, you're gonna find the option add description. Click on that. Now here you can type in the description, and along with that, you can paste the link that you want to add in your description that is clickable. Verification is required to make external links clickable. Click on Verify. To make external links clickable and access their advanced features, you'll need to verify your channel first. Approval usually takes just a few hours. Select any of the options given over here. Take a 6-second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID, or build history as you grow, and then click on Next. Click on Verify. After you complete this process, you'll be able to add link to your YouTube video descriptions that will be clickable. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily add clickable links in YouTube video descriptions. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.